Hi everyone, this is attorney Ayhan Ogmen, and today I'm in front of you to share the latest news we have on immigration. And this week, President Trump signed a travel ban for 12 countries. As you know, since his second term, since the January of this year, he actually had his team working on the travel ban and list the countries that's going to be listed. But this week, because of the terror attack in the US, in Colorado, President Trump acted quickly and actually signed a travel ban, which I'll talk to you about it now. It's going to have actually the current travel ban, which is going to take effect on Monday, June 9. It's going to include basically countries fully banned and also countries partially banned. So what's going to happen now is actually this travel ban, which is going to take effect on Monday, lists the countries that fully banned, which I'm going to list right now. The first one is going to be Afghanistan, the next Iran, Iraq, Libya, Nigeria, North Korea, Somalia, Sudan, Syria, Venezuela, and Yemen. So these 12 countries which are fully banned, it means that all the nationals from those countries, their all type of visas will be affected. So it will be including immigrant visas and also including non-immigrant visas. And from these countries will be suspended, and unless of course there's a waiver or exception applies. So nationals from these 12 countries who are planning to get any visa, it could be immigrant visa for green card, or it could be non-immigrant visas actually, they're not going to be able to be eligible for now because it's going to be suspended starting Monday. However, unless there's a waiver or exception applies in their situation. And also this Trump's travel ban is also includes countries that facing partial restrictions, and examples of these countries are Cuba, Pakistan, Belarus, Myanmar, Lebanon, Eritrea, and Kyrgyzstan. Basically, nationals from these countries will be targeted, and their visa suspensions will include actually non-immigrant visas such as tourist visas, B1, B2 visas, F and M student visas, and also certain employment visas such as H, L, and O. So basically, nationals from these countries who are partially actually banned with this travel ban will still be able to get immigrant visas, but of course they will face difficulties securing the non-immigrant visa categories. What we can say is that, as you know, that President Trump in his first term came with his famous travel ban, and starting his second term, he said that he's going to come up with the ban again, and this time he had his team working on the list of countries. But this week, the terror attack happened in Colorado, triggered actually for travel ban to be signed right away because of this attack. However, even though the person who actually did the attack in Colorado is a national from Egypt, list of countries in travel bans does not include actually Egypt, but includes the other countries. As the President Trump actually stated this week, that the way it's going to move from now on with the travel ban, time to time they're going to actually analyze it to make sure if it's going to be any new country will be added, or they will remove the countries in the list of this ban actually countries to get a visas. And the reason, of course, behind the administration move with this travel ban, they just want to keep repeat that they want to make sure that they are actually properly vetting the people from these countries who are going to come to the US, and making sure that it's not going to create any danger to the US. So if our followers or their friends or family or clients, if any of them are actually from those countries, they have to be careful. And if they're living in the US, they may be actually delayed traveling right now, starting Monday, not to have any issues when they're going to come back to the US. Based on this, if there's any questions or any concerns that our followers or their family or friends have, or our clients or their family or friends have, please feel free to reach us. And if there are any new developments with this Trump's travel ban, we'll be sharing with you. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Attorney Ayhan Ogmen.